Hey YouTube, Steven, TheSalonGuy here, and don't mind me, I'm just going to rest my arm here on this mannequin head. But today's video is going to be hopefully very interesting. This mannequin may look familiar to you. I did a video, actually I think it was my last video, with this mannequin head where I created somewhat of a longer shape. Now, this is not going to be another undercut video. And once again, nothing against the undercut. It's a great haircut. But what I want to do is I want to create a shape that you may think is an undercut because it is going to be much shorter under here, but we're going to leave as much length on top. So it's going to be like a really nice tapered shape going from shorter in through here and then working it back into the length on top. So there's going to be a slight disconnection, but it's also going to look like it's blended in as well. So I'm going to go through the haircut, then I'll come back and break it down. Let's get started. Okay guys, here we have the finished result, and I just want to show you what it looks like without putting any finishing product in it. And I mean, this really looks pretty darn good in my opinion, and you would never know that really there's some slight disconnection going on through here. So technically, is this an undercut? I mean, yes, we cut underneath here, but it's not like the traditional #1 guard all the way up to here and it's like completely disconnected and obvious. You know, this is something that, you know, you don't have to have the beard for this, but if you do want to rock this out, this is just an alternative way to actually create somewhat of a nice shape, leaving a little bit of length. I mean, look how long this goes down almost at a chin right through here. So there's a lot of length on the top of the hair. And when I was styling it before, when it was wet, I was scrunching it up and creating a lot of texture and a lot of almost wave in it. And that's what's great about this haircut. I mean, this could be something new. Maybe this is the new undercut trend for 2018, going into 2019, where you do have a lot of length on the sides, mixed in with some length throughout the top. So what I did is I did all this by hand throughout the back here, cutting it to probably about a finger's length out from the head. And I did work on diagonal sections going down across this way, all the way throughout the back. And then I came in going over this way, matched it all up, did a lot of cross-checking, holding it, you know, horizontally, back again to vertically, just to really make sure, you know, everything really was balanced. And I did that on the back and on both sides into here. I went in and kind of used some point cutting right around the ear area just to kind of give it a softer look right around the ear. And remember, we do have some length, so if I went really short in through here, it would just look ridiculous. Like if I took clippers and did like a #2, it would just, you know, no clippers were used in this video, just obviously as you guys saw. But I want to know you can create an amazing shape without going super short. And I'm hoping that this, you know, would help people watching, especially if you're barbers or stylists that want, you know, some extra help with some men's haircuts and stuff. So this is probably about, I'd say, 2.5 inches right through here, and more than 3 inches or so on both sides. I created the disconnection right in through the recession area right in through here and clipped this out of the way. And the top I brought down to about here, leaving the longest point again through here, cut it on an angle, a triangular shape going towards the face, having it longer, and then towards the back area, I point cut this right into here, just to kind of give it a little bit of more of a softer look right into here. Then held everything vertically up this way and cut it just to kind of make sure it's all balanced. And then when I blow dried it, what I did is, you know, I used my Dyson Supersonic Pro dryer, and I also used this 413 sculpting brush, really accentuating, smoothing this out. That's why I was going this way, kind of flat wrapping it. Then I went in with a round brush, and here we have the finished result. Now you're thinking to yourself, what product? Like, I'm trying to think, what do I want to put in this hair? I used my support cream, which is a blow dry cream. I mean, it's an amazing blow dry cream, and I called it support cream because it was designed to support the style. So you will get a little bit of light hold, a little bit of light volume. It's an amazing pre-styler for men and women. So I said, let's go with Locked, my new dry matte finish hairspray. It's a very powerful spray, literally gives a matte finish. Everybody wants a hairspray and a matte finish with workable hold. Well, this is it. So you spray it in and you just work your hands through it, and there you have a nice little moldable shape, moldable hold, and, you know, without making your hair feel greasy or anything or really stiff. But this is a very nice workable finishing product that I think it would do really well for you guys. So here we have the finished result. All right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, is it an undercut? I guess it kind of is, but let's go with more of a disconnected shape. Very different than what you're normally seeing on YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.